Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we are taking a deep dive into the online learning platform Coursive.io to answer one simple question: is it legit in 2025 or not? So I've looked into the platform, its courses, and what real users are saying to give you a full review with proof. So without wasting any more time, let's jump in. So firstly, let's break down what Coursive actually is. Because it is different from other platforms, it's not a site like Udemy or Coursera where instructors upload their courses directly. Instead, Coursive is an aggregator. So they're best known for offering massive bundles of online courses for a one-time lifetime deal price, often sold through marketplaces like AppSumo, so you can pay once and get access to a huge library of courses. Now, let's get to the main question. Is it a legitimate platform? So the short answer is yes. Coursive.io is a legitimate company. It's not a scam. You do get access to the courses you pay for, but the full story is more nuanced. So let's start with the good parts first. Now, once you're logged in, look for a menu that is called Connected Devices or DHCP Clients, something like that. When you click on that option, a list of every device on your Wi-Fi, often with a unique name and MAC address, will be displayed. The names will be different on different routers, so you might have to search for it a little bit. And if you have a search column, you can also search for it over here. Now, look through the list of devices. If you see any devices that you don't recognize, maybe an old device, a neighbor's phone, or any other device that shouldn't be there, what you have to do is look for an option that says block or a disconnect button. You should simply click on that block or disconnect option. Now, the reason you're not seeing anything on my screen is because all the devices are connected through the administrative ID and password, so all of the devices are recognized by my router. The option will not appear over here. So let's assume for some reason you're also not able to see the block or disconnect option. Then the circled method is the easiest and the most secure thing to do. Simply change your Wi-Fi password. Now, in your router settings, find the option that says wireless or WAN or just simply Wi-Fi, something like that. And inside Wi-Fi, simply look for Wi-Fi settings and a page, something like this, should appear in front of you over here. There should be a lot of information like 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz, whatever type of Wi-Fi you're using. So over here, just take a look. You should be able to see a pre-shared key like this, which is your password. So now simply remove this over here and enter your new password, whatever you want, and then click on the save option. Now, the circle option could be anywhere on the screen, depending on the brand of router you're using. So for me, the circle option is right over here. And if you don't have a circle option, that means it has an autosave feature. So just simply make the changes, and probably the changes have already been saved. So keep that in mind. So once you save this, anyone unwanted will automatically be kicked off from your Wi-Fi. So that's it. You now know how to check your network and remove any unwanted devices from your Wi-Fi. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.